Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be going over the order Piciformes and the order Coraciiformes. And my name is Daniel Bird. And this is the fall 2013 semester Avian Field Ecology. Piciformes, the scientific classification, goes from kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Chordata, subphylum, Vertebrata, class, Aves, order, Piciformes, and in the order Piciformes, we have the families Rhamphastidae, Pisididae, Capitanidae, Indicatanidae, and I'll be going over these families in no specific order. Rhamphastidae is a toucan family. There are 6 genera in this family. These birds are unmistakable. These members are very brightly colored and have large colorful bills. These birds can be found in the neotropics. As you can see to the right, this is the range and habitat for the distribution of this family. Toucans are native to southern Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. The genus Rhamphastos is in the family, in the order Piciformes, and these are your large black toucans. Their distribution goes from southern Mexico to northern Argentina in lowland tropical rainforests. Their diet are fruits, which they are highly frugivorous, berries, insects, eggs, nestlings of passerine birds, and the largest in this family is the toco, Rhamphastos toco, and that's a picture of it to the right. Also, we have the family Picidae, which is the woodpeckers, in the order Piciformes. The diversity is woodpeckers, sapsuckers, flickers, wrynecks, and piculets. Their distribution is in wooded habitats throughout the world, except in the poles, Madagascar, New Zealand, and Australia. These species are arboreal. Their morphology is they have a strong, straight bill, reinforced skull, short legs, strong feet, stiff tail feathers, and a very long tongue. And these are all which help them climb vertically and laterally very well. They perform drumming by both male and the female, which is related to territorial behavior. And the females have a clutch size of about 2 to 5 eggs. And their diets consist of insects, larvae, arthropods, caterpillars, nuts, fruits, and tree sap. And in that family of we have the Lewis's woodpecker, Melanoerpus lewis, which is their distribution is in the interior west, and they also winter locally in southern New Mexico. These birds resemble a crow in flight. They are medium-sized birds with a greenish-black head, as you can see to the right, with greenish-black wings and also a greenish-black back. They have a gray collar on the chest. They also have a dark face and red belly, and they prefer open woodland habitat, which is cottonwood or your other mountainous forests. They also eat insects off bark and often in flight, which is different from a lot of other woodpeckers. And this bird is also a flycatcher. It'll fly from tree to tree, catching flies as they go. Next, we have the family Capitanidae in the order Piciformes. These birds are found in humid tropical forests in Central and South America. These are stocky birds with short necks and large heads. They are named for their bristles and their heavy bills. They are very brightly colored, as you can see to the photo on the left of these barbets. They are mostly arboreal and nest in dugout cavities, with females laying a clutch size of about 2 to 4 eggs, and their diet consists of fruits and insects. And these are non-migratory birds. Next is Indicatonidae in the order Piciformes. The diversity consists of 4 genera, 17 species, and 33 taxa. Their distribution and habitat are the sub-Saharan Africa and southern Asia. These birds prefer forests and woodlands along stream sides in near desert habitat. These birds are small to medium sized and are arboreal. These birds are brownish and green in plumage, so they're not as bright as the other families in this order. They also have small heads and short bills. All species in this family are nest parasites, and females will find cavity nests and deposit eggs in these nests that are found in about 10 to 15 seconds with the right timing. Like as you can see to the photo on the right, there's a honey creeper, which is the brownish green bird getting chased away by the brightly colored birds from the nest. And their diet consists of beeswax from honeybees, insects, spiders, larvae, and flying insects, as well as some plant material and fruits. And these are your honey guides. Next, I'll be going over the order Coraciiformes, and here's a scientific classification. It's in Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Subphylum Vertebrata, Class Aves, Order Coraciiformes. And there are 8 families in the order of Coraciiformes. These families are very distinct. Females and males often have similar appearances. All share common foot structure, syndactylon, and the toes. Generally, these are small, medium-sized birds with short legs, weak feet, short toes, and have large heads. Also, short necks, bright and colorful plumage. The 8 families are Alcedinidae, the kingfishers, Toadidae, the touties, Motmatidae, your motmots, Merapidae, or the bee-eaters, Coracidae, the rollers, Upupidae, the hoopos, Phonoculidae, the wood hoopos, Buceraudidae, the hornbills. And today I'll be going over the family Alcedinidae, the kingfishers, which belong to the order Coraciiformes. They're in the suborder Alcedines with Todidae and Motmatidae. The diversity is approximately 17 genera and 97 species. These are small to medium-sized colorful birds with short necks and large heads relative to the body and thick bills. Their distribution is they can be found in all regions of the world except for the pole regions. Majority are tropical, with highest numbers in the Australian region. 6 species are in the New World. Their habitat consists of forested or open woodland areas near water, although one species is found in desert scrub. The reproduction is they are monogamous, and the females lay anywhere from 3 to 6 eggs in a clutch. Their diet is fish, but not all are piscivorous, and some eat insects and can dive to 2 meters deep while fishing. Here is a belted kingfisher, which you can find locally in New Mexico and throughout North America. On your left you have the male, and on the right is the female holding a fish. And the belted kingfishers, several alcyon, have the features of a ragged crest, like you saw in the picture before, previous slide. They are blue-gray in color. The males have a blue band across the breast and have a stocky body with a large head with a thick straight bill. And they also have white spots on the blue back, tail, and wings, and the female's plumage look similar. Their behavior is they perch alongside rivers, streams, and lakes, searching for fish. They also hunt from perch or hover above the surface of the water, looking for fish as well. Their habitat are near streams, rivers, ponds, and lakes. They nest in burrows along bank sides. Some interesting facts are human disturbances have allowed for range expansion due to the influence of more nesting sites in the banks and bank-like areas. The females are brighter than the males, which you don't see often in birds. Also, the adults regurgitate pellets filled with bones and fish material, which then can be collected and identify prey species. And here's the distribution of the belted kingfisher, which is most of North America, Central America, and the top of South America.